thunderstorm warning for northwestern Washington County in southeastern Ohio, southwestern Morgan County in southeastern Ohio, Athens County in southeastern Ohio, northeastern Vinton County in southeastern Ohio, until 4:15 a.m. At 3:47 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Lake Hope State Park, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Athens, Chester Hill, Lake Hope State Park, Nelsonville, Chauncey, Buckle, Stockport, Jacksonville, Trimble, Zaleski, Amesville, Stroud Run State Park, Bartlett, and the Plains. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Please report severe weather to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 800-401-9535 when you can do so safely. You may also report severe weather by posting your report to the Charleston, West Virginia National Weather Service Facebook page or by using the Twitter hashtag NWSRLX. This is no weather.